let us talk about the trickiest sound of the Spanish language, the infamous R. Hello there, I'm Daniel and welcome back to Spanish 55. Don't feel bad if it's giving you a hard time. To be honest, even many native speakers struggle with it. But here is a two-step technique that can be very useful. First, place the tip of your tongue behind your front teeth from the top, okay? If it helps, this is where you put your tongue for the D sound, like in day or dies. Just hold that D. Okay, notice where your tongue goes? Okay, keep that in mind. Now, step number 2, you're gonna need to let out a lot of air, like this. Now, we're gonna combine those two steps. Place your tongue where I told you, and then let out a lot of air while doing it, okay? Ready? Here we go. How was it? Still didn't get it? Don't worry. We're gonna do some exercises that will help you out. First, imagine that you are in a motorboat or a helicopter and start making that engine sound. Just let out a lot of air continuously. That's probably why many people can't seem to get it right. They're not letting out enough air. Now, another thing that you can try is to tap the top of your mouth repeatedly, like this. Ra, 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 ra. You can start slowly and then speed it up, like if it was a little drummer inside of your mouth, like this. Ra, 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 ra. Just don't forget to let out air while you do it. Now let's try a little trick. Let's start by making the S sound and drag it like this. Then place an R after it, like you're transitioning from a snake sound to a motorboat sound, like this. See? This can help you to get the airflow and vibration right just before you move on or add that rolling R sound at the end. Now, before we continue, I just want to let you know that we have a very nice and interesting video in our channel about pronunciation. There's actually a sound from the English language that is probably sabotaging your pronunciation. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. You'll find the link to that video in the description box below. Let us now try with some real words. Perro, perro, rápido, rápido, carro, carro, río, río, reloj, reloj. Take your time, don't rush it. Remember, it's not a matter of getting it right the first time. It's more about consistency. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. Oh, it's something that you want to keep in mind is that not every R needs to be rolled. Remember, Spanish R has two sounds. The strong R, R, and the soft R, ere. We use the strong R in words where the initial letter is an R or when there are two R's placed together, carro or rápido. But we use the soft R sound in other words like caro or pero. For the soft R, don't make it too hard or too long. You want to make the sound smooth, light, and natural. Alright, now that you know some tricks to roll your R's, it's time for practice. Remember, don't get stressed if you don't get it right the first time. Just keep on practicing. And if you want more tips to improve your pronunciation, then check out Spanish55.com. You can book a free consultation today. The link to the site is also on the description box below. Thank you for watching. Hasta la próxima.